Not sure what that is.
Hi there, how are you?
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes?
Are you the attorney for Water's Edge?
No, I'm the manager.
Okay, it's scheduled at 1 o'clock, so you're a little early, so I'm just gonna leave you where you are.
Okay, perfect. 'Cause
Thanks.
I just had to check in here because I wasn't even sure how to get to this point.
Yep. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
All right.
Don't go anywhere.
Oh, I won't. I'll be sitting right here.
All right, thanks.
All right, thank you. You know, I think people that are vegan lose their sense of taste bud. Because this is really bland to me. And probably some salt on top would make it taste better. But it's like, wow, how could anybody eat this and say that's a good pizza? It just really has no distinctive flavor until you eat something, but it's not like, wow, that's really good pizza. And salt, I mean, salt makes everything taste better.
Pretty bad when you just gotta put salt on it to get kind of flavor though.
Yeah. Whoa, what the heck just happened here? you leave, would you make sure you lock the door?
Or you want me to lock it?
Hey Rita,
Hello?
is the sound bad?
No, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh yeah, no, I'm good. I can turn up my volume if I have to.
It's terrible on my end, so I'm trying to figure that out. It's like an echo or something. I don't know what this thing is doing. Okay. I'm like in my car at work.
I can see.
You're right. This was a lot to go through and process
I
mentally.
know. Oh.
Mm.
Did you come up with the same figure we did, though?
Yeah, I think my discrepancies were the increase that, the increase on the rent. And then
Right.
I didn't take account in like the other fees and stuff, like the lawyer stuff and all of that. I didn't take that because I don't know about that side of stuff.
Oh,
So I think that that's where, where it all came from.
yeah. Well,
Ladies,
yes.
I'm not sure what conversation you're having, but it's streaming live on YouTube.
Oh, sorry.
No, I don't care. I'm just
No,
I'm
that's
just saying
okay.
it so you know.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay.
fine. We know. Yeah, it was the amount, Latasha, 156.50.
Okay.
That was the total court cost.
It's 1 o'clock. It's time for trial. We're waiting for the plaintiff's attorney. Oh, she just popped in. Marianne, it looked like you admitted her. What happened? Ruh-roh.
Yep, I did. I know. Yeah, I don't know what happened to her.
Second time's the charm. Good afternoon, Ms. Addison.
Good afternoon.
This is 212567 LT Waters Edge Apartments versus Latasha Finley. Appearances, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Stephanie Addison, P74140, standing in for Stephanie Freeman for the plaintiff.
And Ms. Finley, if you would unmute yourself and state your name for the record.
Latasha Finley.
Thank you. We were here last on September 14, 2021. And the trial was adjourned to today. The plaintiff had been unable to get their witness to log on to Zoom to conduct the trial. Ms. Addison, are you ready to proceed this afternoon?
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
Ms. Finley, are you ready to proceed this afternoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. There had been a small outstanding matter of Sarah. Back on September 1st, there was the understanding that Wayne Metro was requesting an updated ledger. Are the parties continuing to pursue Sarah funding?
Your Honor, it's been brought to our attention that Ms. Finley is ineligible to SARA funding due to being over the income threshold.
Thank you. Ms. Addison, would it be beneficial to speak to Ms. Finley, or are you prepared to proceed to trial?
I'm happy to speak with her. I think that, doesn't hurt to try.
Ms. Finley?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to have you go into a breakout room with Ms. Addison. Ms. Addison, do you need your client with you?
Yes, please.
Mary Ann, we'll move you three into a breakout room.
Thank you.
Mary Ann Christine still has River if you're looking to add to your menagerie.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sure, I don't even want to see a picture of it. Nope. What about you? You're next up.
End of October, early November.
Oh, okay. River came too soon.
I think you would love him, Marianne.
Oh, I know I would.
Was that sufficient time in the breakout room?
Yes, Judge, thank you. We do have an agreement.
Those terms, Ms. Addison.
Thank you. Your Honor, we have agreed to enter into a consent order for conditional dismissal. Ms. Finley has agreed to pay the total amount of past due rent of $4141.50 plus $865 for October rent. That total sum of $5,006.50 is going to be paid on or before October 29th of 2021.
Ms. Finley, were you able to hear Ms. Addison just now?
Yes,
And it's your understanding and agreement that you will pay $5,006.50
yes,
to your landlord by October 29, 2021.
yes,
And that amount represents the amount that's due from the complaint and includes the rent that is due for October 1st, which is not due until this Friday.
yes.
And that's the agreement that you wish to enter.
Yes, and that's okay because I mean, I would have had to pay October anyway, so it's okay to add
And
it
you-
additional.
And that will be done in a conditional dismissal.
Yes,
Judge.
And Ms. Addison, are you emailing that to her, to Ms. Finley for signature, or how are you going to do that?
Your Honor, I mean, I'm happy to do that. I do have her email address. If maybe perhaps she can be sworn, and she could provide consent on the record, and that way I can prepare the document and attach her signature with consent given on the record.
Ms. Finley, were you able to understand what she just said, what Ms. Addison just said?
yeah, and that's okay, but I just want to ask the question first. Is it possible for me to actually read over what she's signing before she signs it?
What she'll do is send it to you for review and signature. You'll send it back to her, and she'll send it to the court.
Okay, and that's me when I
Okay.
send it back to her saying I agree to her signing this document, basically.
Well, if you're able to sign it and send it back, great. Otherwise, just give your consent.
Okay,
Like
okay,
if Ms. Addison emails it to you, your response to her should be, I review the document. It's okay to sign as is.
okay, sounds good.
And that'll give her cover to sign on your behalf and then send it to the court.
Okay,
What I'll do is put a control date in place of about 3 weeks. That's just an internal review where if we have not received the signed agreement from the parties, the civil department will send it up to me to kind of get things going, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Anything else in this matter, Ms. Addison?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Finley?
no, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you so very much. And Ms. Finley, please remember to check your email for the proposed conditional dismissal from Ms. Addison's office, okay?
Okay,
Thank you much, everyone. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you.
thank you, you as well.
Thank you.
I know.